Hi, hi, hi. You're welcome. I welcome you basically to this channel where you will learn so much about online business, how to make money on the internet, how you can save money on the internet, how you can invest money on the internet, and I'll be showing you into the world of cryptos, how you can actually increase your money via crypto, how you can trade, how you can invest, how you can actually multiply your money. For you that don't really want to delve into, trading the chart pattern, that you don't want to get involved in highly risky investment, this is where you are supposed to stay because I will show you many things, many ways you can actually invest into crypto, and you don't have to monitor anything, you don't have to have any knowledge, big knowledge like that, and then your money will be increasing day by day. This is what I've been doing, and I decided to come out here and begin to show you guys so you can see that this is Bybit anyways. This is Bybit app. And if you check this place, you can see that the price of Bitcoin is actually falling because you can see the red. I'm going to explain what this red means, what this green means. I'll show you everything. Like I will start from the very basics, and I will make sure that you understand everything that you need to know so that you can begin to make money. That is very very easy. When you stay here, you will see many things that many people don't want to tell you about crypto, how you can make money by doing nothing. I will show you how you can invest money into crypto without having to raise your blood pressure and all of that. So this is where you are supposed to stay. If you are coming across this channel, I want you to subscribe, and you'll be seeing more content and from me, and and it will increase your knowledge, and your portfolio, and then your profit will be increased. So you are welcome once again, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.